Our topic for today is all about how we can create a Twitter account. First, download Twitter and then open it. In the welcome screen, select the sign up button. Next, tap on create account option, or you can use your Google account or Apple ID to create your account. Next, enter your name, your email address, and then your date of birth to continue. Tap next below when you're done. And here, customize your experience. After that, tap next below. Now review the details that you have entered, and by signing up to Twitter, you're agreeing to its terms of service and privacy. Once you're settled with that, tap the sign up button below. Next, you need to authenticate your account to make sure that you're a real person. Tap the authenticate, then follow the on-screen procedure. After that, enter the code that was sent to your email, then follow the instructions that will show up, and after that, your account should now be created. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.